So we're here making some Cavaties today. Aunt Grace here has some great recipes that she's been keeping in the family.
Let's get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
So you make sure eggs are good. We get that it goes to 2.
So we basically have 2.5 pounds of flour in here.
I love this stuff.
Yeah, me too.
I
think I remember not doing this too. She just put the whole thing in.
Yeah. Can you give me a little bit of salt? A teaspoon. Now we need to use the hands. Do you want to use your hands?
All
Mix it all?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can feel the ricotta in here.
Best way to cook is with your hands.
Literally.
Can you feel your heritage in there?
I feel Sicilian at last. Do I need another egg? It was feeling too dry.
How is that on your hands? I hear egg is a great moisturizer.
Very natural. There we go.
Alright, we're going on to the table.
Now we're going to the table. It's easier. You can see what you're doing. There.
Alright.
And the exercise for your head.
Exactly. Did you do any exercise today?
Yeah.
No, we're gonna get started.
Yeah, a lot of love going into that.
Oh, this, you know what this smells like? The dough that you get for crescent rolls.
Oh yeah, yeah. Now I'm going to stay a little bit and put this one too.
Perfect.
This one is that really wet a little bit.
Do you know how to fast forward your videos, Mike?
Oh yeah.
This would be a great point to just like...
Yep, do it in fast motion.
And then you have dough.
Yeah.
This is the easiest way. Don't measure, just put everything together. You're all set.
I'm gonna clean up the table with it. Another hack.
Tricks of the trade. I have the very important rule of quality control.
There you go. Thoughts?
So Auntie Grace, did you make this in Italy or did you make it more back here when you came to America? Or
More here because over there we were kind of young. I was kind of young when I came.
you got the technique down.
Thank you. I make it up as I go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're then saran wrapping them
Yeah, to
There.
relax it.
to let it stay for a little while. Smells so good.
Yeah, it does. So you don't use a fork or anything? Just right on the table?
But we can use a fork or the thing when you grate the cheese and it comes out different.
Oh.
My Nana, the way she used it. So I remember we did it like a line like this. We cut it into little cubes. So then all the little cubes were ready. And you should have just seen her. She was like doing this. It was like, she was like like a pasta maker.
Hey, what?
Wow, look at that. You got that technique down real quick. All right, it's in her genes.
I've been watching.
Yeah.
Now is the fork for making lines on them or give you a little texture?
Try it.
Now if I'm using the fork, do I just roll it down?
Oh, you roll it.
Oh, okay. Oh.
If you make
That's
one,
not
Oh, yeah.
put a little bit of flour so they won't stick.
Don't push them too hard like me.
They'd be nice and curly.
Yeah.
The way I do my things is I paste them. While I do them, I cook them and paste them and then proceed.
Ah, there we go. Smart idea. I like the way you're thinking.
When you put them in the water, when they come up at the top, when they thaw, they cooked. Yeah.
I can't even.
That's grandmother used to do
Yeah.
that too.
Really?
Both hands.
I can't even do it one-handed.
It takes,
A lot of practice.
Yeah.
it's not just one day.
All the girls would get to work on the dough. Get them ready.
And they would taste good. And then somebody would cook them, we would just eat them as we're making them.
Yeah.
You didn't put anything in the freezer for next time.
That's where my mom gets
Best
it
way to
from.
do it. Yeah, nice and fresh.
We're always eating while we're cooking.
Oh, yeah.
So we make them
Wow,
just like
Leanne,
that.
look at you.
Thanks.
Looks like amazing.
Trying.
This is your first time making them?
I swear.
Lies.
It's in my blood.
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah.
Like, I'm struggling and I've made these several times.
You know why? In the restaurant, all they do is they cut them like that.
And
Oh,
then
they
throw
just,
them in.
the cubes? Yeah?
Just the cubes.
So in the restaurants, they cheap out on you. They just cut it and throw it in the pot.
Yeah.
No love.
No love.
Now, do you throw salt or anything in the water while you do that?
Yeah, a little bit of salt. You can put olive oil so they won't stick together.
Well, Leanne, you know, I think you're slacking on this side right here. These ones don't
I
look
know.
nearly as good as your other ones.
I was using my left hand, you know.
Yeah, it must be because not looking too good.
Looking a little different. I don't want to say nothing.
Yeah. All my terrible ones that I just snuck in on your pile. Yeah, let's get your line of blocks ready to go.
Exactly.
Just-
Bang them out.
Yeah, try and see how they taste.
Okay. Wow, that cooked nice and quick too. All right, so we're doing a little sample.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Whoa, I'm struggling. I'm struggling. Mmm,
Not bad.
so good. Mmm. I gotta steal another bite.
Don't they taste good?
I like them. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So now we can work and we know they're good.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
See?
And we're just finishing up here.
Smells so good.
Here we go.
Now,
Line them up.
two at a time.
Ooh, that one stuck to my finger a little.
Put flour in your hand, in your fingers.
Oh,
Oh, now I am hungry again.
I know, those are good.
You're right.
You got a little pasta army over here.
Right.
I love this with the fork.
Yeah, they come out pretty.
A little bit of flour and throw them in there. Yeah, like that.
It goes by quick when you're doing it.
Yeah.
I think shopping took longer.
Right.
Woo! Sorry. Back up.
Yeah. So how long do you let it cook?
See how that one is coming up? Look,
Oh yeah.
see? Yeah, when they all come up right there, you pick them up.
All right. Close up bubble action. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
That is good.
Good. Yeah.
And you.
Now it's my turn.
There, yeah.
Delicious. Thanks
Happy
everyone for
family.
joining us. Yeah, happy family. Happy tummies.
Bye.
Bye.